some logic, how we can create the logic. So simply I will open my WinProLoader software. But before start this program, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. This way you will be never miss other one video from Parveen Automations. So without waste any time, let's start. First of all, I will make a new project. How we can create new project? Simply you can go to the file and make it new project. And that's other one, if have any your program, you can click it save, otherwise no. And when you start this project, you can write it here, any project name. I give the reverse forward, reverse FWD, reverse forward program, and simply click it on edit. Here he asking for which model your PLC using, which model you have, HB1 series, FBS series, FBN series, FBE, many of models in Fatek brand. I have a model FBS, so I click it on FBS, and he asking for points, yani how much points of your PLC, inputs and outputs. I have a small PLC for 14 inputs and outputs, 14 total. And which is the name of my model, MC or MA, that's I have a MA, and I click it MA and click it OK. And here if you like to give the description, you can give this description. So this is an example, I don't like to give description, so click it OK. So first of all, I will take my 1 bit. Sorry. I will take my 1 bit, start from M0 internal memory relay. Because of this complete program, when you design in PLC, you can make it as serial wise. Start from M0 or M0, M10 or M20, M30, anywhere from you can start, you can start. I will start from M0, and that's I will make name for my execution of my program. For example, this first step, what I do, I have to be start first. So first this M0, I will make my emergency switch. Means for example from panel, if you like to stop or start, emergency also any panel needs the requirements, this one emergency. So this one, if you like to give the comment also, you can give the comment here, M0, right after here you can comment EMG. EMG means emergency. This is my emergency switch, and I will take another bit. This is also you can give the X0 name, because of when you're giving the external signal to the PLC. This is internal memory relay. Why using? This is for HMI. If you're using with HMI, after you can using the internal memory, X memory, X signal is from the external use. Internal memory totally you have to be using at HMI. So this is my internal memory first. Because of physical, I'm not using the PLC. Have PLC, but still now right now we have a lecture only for program. Inshallah will be next lectures, I will show you in how to make with HMI also, how we can data take from the PLC and write from HMI. So next I will take M10. M10 is my execution, means start push button. For example, from HMI, if I need from external, I will make it link. This will be next, I will tell you how to make. And simply I will click one more output relay, that's the name M100. Yani as I press this one M10, after my 1 bit will be started M100. My program will be start from M100. So next I will take here, same look like, you can take this one emergency switch M0, but this M0 you can use as a close contact. Because of emergency, have a close contact, not a open contact. Somewhere it is your choice. You can, if you like to use emergency with the open contact, you can use, but in standard wise, emergency have a close contact. So also I will use close contact. And this you have to be using complete in the program. When your program stopped after last line, till you have to be use M0. This M100 when you start, M100 I will take it here from M100 switch. M100 is my program execution. And now I need to be one timer needs to be run, because of we are making for reverse forward control. So first we have to be give time to the any motor, minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, how much minutes we have to be start the program. So we will take one timer. So I take T200 timer, and I will give the time to how much time for I need to be start. For example, I take 5 seconds, click it OK, and now your timer is ready. Now what we do, we have to again this use M100, first M0, that's next here have to be use M100. Because of M100, why we are using, because our when program is started, if our M100 is not on, any program have to be no run. This is the function we design in logic. So M100, after we have to be start any timer, this T200, and now we will take this T200 close contact, T200 close contact, we will make it one relay set. We'll make it one set relay, and you can choose, I will choose M300 for example, M300, and in next row, now this is your M300 is ready. This is, for example, you can think this M300 is your output relay or output motor, yani this will be runs with this time, this motor when this is started, and from this timer, this close contact will be start this your M300 relay. Again you will choose M0, your emergency switch first, and second you have to be take your M100 for execution the program, and next you have to be also start one again timer, because of your when M300 will be set, after you have to be make one another timer for this delay. For example, this is running and you have like to give the delay, and no need to be direct go to the other side reverse or forward condition. You have to must give some delay. So you have to be give delay and start from M100. This is must, this two you have to be used, and next after you have to be used this T200. When your T200 is open, this is we use for close. M300 you will use for closed, and this T200 open contact we will use T200 open contact we use, and we will make one more timer. For example, this is I take this T200 2 name I will give T200 2. I will give for 5 seconds. Also I will take 5 seconds, And now this is with close contact our M300 is started. This is set, it's running. When this time is up, after I need one more timer, this for delay means, this for delay. When delay completed, after I need M0, this is my emergency, and M100 is my execution. And but first, before this one, I need to be this timer, and with this timer I will have to be reset. For example, when my running is this time is finished, this T200, and this timer started. When started, I need to reset this relay M300, and again you have to be make it reset from here and make it reset M300. I will reset that M300, and this lane I will delete from here, and we will take it here. First we will take M0, our execution delay, emergency, and our M100 is our execution delay. Now what's the logic next? When M300 is reset, we need to be another relay set, because of this is for example forward running, and now we'll need for reverse running. So we will simply here make for one in set condition M302. For example, this in serial, when you're making the program, you have to be must choose the serial. This 300 I will take next 301 or 2, but must be 302, 5, 3, 4, any you can use, but choose the serial. This is better. After you can't forget any. This is so my when starts next M302, and with this M302 I need time. How much time for I need to run this one M302? Because of this time I give it here T200, and here also I need that time for this M302. First of all, I have to be give delay. Simply this timer I will take it here. Now I take T205, and this also I will give 5 seconds. No problem. We will in example this how much you like to time set. This is depend on your logic. You can set any time. This is okay. Now my reverse or forward relay is started, and this timer also started. This timer is, for example, forward time. Yani this is if reverse, this is forward. If this is forward, this is the reverse channel. And simply go to the next row, choose again M0, and your execution relay M100, and you have to be make it reset. You can take it from here. You make the reset M302. You have to make the reset M302. Now simply our program is near completed. This M300 is our for example forward condition, and 302 is our reverse condition. And now when this time is completed, after this reverse forward time finishes, after we need the delay of this one. No need to be direct jump to the M300. We have need some delay. For delay, what we do? We have taken one link here, and again one more timer we will start it here. I will give the name T208 because of this 5 we used. T208 I will give the name. Oh sorry, the name 5 seconds also I will give, no problem. 5 seconds. You can change this time, but I will give the far because after video go to the length. Now this timer what will do? This is basically this reverse or forward. This is the delay time. And now what to do? We have to be go in next row. Simply we will take it here. M300 we will make for reverse condition or forward condition, and we need one external relay Y0. For example, this is your output. Finally, this is your reverse or forward relay. And M302 you make another. Simply go it here. M302 is your reverse or forward relay, and I choose this one Y1 for example. Now our program is complete, and one thing is still not we finished. This process is complete, but how will we restart this program? Because of when we start this program, we also need to be restart now. How we can restart this program? So what we will do, this T208 is our last step. So we will make it T208 is look like close contact. We will choose it here from close contact T208, because this when we start this one, it will be running from close. When as our program will be completed, after when this T208 is on, it will be go into open condition. First will be close condition, but when is open condition, after this is our T200 will be go to reset. So let's check in the real PLC program. Auto check your COM port, make it okay. It will be now reading your program. Our PLC is not running condition. Wait, I will make it again because of power not make it on. Go to the online, again auto check and check your COM port is ready. Click it OK. Now can connect, he says. Now this program is downloading to the PLC. This is another. Now simply our program is successfully downloaded to the PLC. Click it OK. Go to the run and your program will be complete run. He asked for, are you sure to run the program? So I say yes, I am sure run the program. My time is ready. I hope this will be program will be run. M10 is my execution relay. This is my emergency. This is already close contact. If you make it open this one, your program will be never run. For example, I make it on. See, this is all will be I may be on, but my program will be not run because of this emergency is now active. As I give the signal to the make it off, my program is started now. Now see, simply our Y0 is now running for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, this will be go to the another M300 and Y1. Why not this one is going to change? We have to be check T208. T208 we gives the close contact, and we set this one. M300 is now set. Again one time close. Now is it our M300 is set. From T200. This one thing we have to be changed. This we have to make first stop the PLC. this T200, this we have to make it here T200 close contact, and M100 we have to be take it here. No, this M100 here is also okay. No, this is okay. T200, and this is the M100. It's the okay, and make it again check. Now first run the PLC. Again, now make it on. Now M300 is on. This is as completed the time. T200. This is, we will make one mistake here. That's M100 we start, but we're not giving it here M200 contact. Stop the PLC. This is we one mistake what make. This is first this T200 T200 started our M300, and after this we make timer T202 and reset M300. From where T200 open contact. After we start here M100, but we have to use T202 contact. This is we have to be add here T202 contact we need, because we have to start it from this timer, because when this timer is started and time is up, after our M300 need to be reset. So next this we use T205, and this is also we have to be use it here T205. And again we have to be download to the PLC and make it sure, and again we will check to the M10, make it on. Now M300 is on, and our 1 Y0 is closed. Now let's go to the delay, and now our Y1 is set, and it have to be go for 5 seconds delay, and again our Y0 needs to be run, and again we have to be wait for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds our Y1 needs to be again run. So this is, I hope you complete understand about this logic how we design this one, because simply again I will little explain to you. Our M10 is when started, our M100 is on. As anybody stop push the emergency, now I'm making it on because of this is the close contact. If you're have using the physical PLC, you can make using here X0, X1, X2 or whatever number you like to be choose, you can choose. This is I'm using internal memory, so I use this one emergency M0. Now see, your all program is stopped as well. Where is running that from? This is start, yani it will be never run. As I make this one on off, sorry, and now your ready program. As you click the make it on, your program will be started. And when your program is started, your delay finished. After your again 5-second delay, and your one will be started. So what's where from where explaining again. See, when when M100 is ready, M100 starts the T200. T200 by time is completed, our M300 goes to be reset. See, when it's on, this will be go off. Now this is go off, and our M302 is on. When this time is completed, after this timer will be start. This timer when started, after this will be make it again reset to this timer. You will see after 5 seconds when complete this execution, you can see it here. T200 will be one time open and close. But the time is very low because of the T200 is very small time. Sorry, 5 seconds are too much slow time, can't see in the program with the execution. But here you can see 5 seconds your wait, 5 seconds after your Y0, and after 5 seconds wait, after 5 seconds your Y1 will be executed, and this process will be continued. Other signals also you can use in the program. Here you can put any other interlock, for example your door closing or opening. If you function like to add, you can make it here close contact. How many you use, you can here use the signals in this row. I hope you complete understand about this reverse forward program. This program you can use in anywhere. For example, you can in washing projects or some conveyors or whatever. And this is depend on your logic how you can use the program. So I hope guys you complete understand about this reverse forward control. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. And thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.